You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, this surname of German origin in German. Let's break it down. If you want to learn more German vocabulary, stay tuned. It literally means sugar mountain, alright, or sugar rock. Zucker is German for sugar, and Berg is a mountain. Zuckerberg. Now in English it's generally pronounced as Zuckerberg, as in Mark Zuckerberg. But the German pronunciation, Zuckerberg. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.